Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a group policy error in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up File Explorer. Just need to go to this PC, local disk C, find a Windows folder. Now you just need to scroll down and double click on the system32-bit folder. And now you just need to go to search menu and type File Explorer options. Click on open it, select this view tab, and you just need to select this option guys, show hidden files, folders and drives, and then select apply. Now go back to File Explorer. Now you just need to scroll down and find group policy folder. Just double click on it, right click on the machine folder and select the rename option, and in the end of the name you just need to type a dot old. After typing it, press enter, select yes, and after changing the name you just need to close stuff here. Select this don't show hidden files and select apply and OK. Now you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can open the group policy editor without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.